In this video, I'll show you how to search files and folders using the Google Drive node in N8N, step by step. This is a really useful setup if you want your workflow to automatically find documents, folders, or specific drive items without manually searching inside Google Drive every time. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick N8N tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. Make sure you're in the correct automation because the node you add will be connected to whatever flow you already have open. Next, go to the Nodes panel and search for Google Drive. Once you see it, click to add it to your workflow. The Google Drive node is the one you'll use for interacting with files and folders stored in your Drive account. After the node appears on your canvas, look for the operation options and choose Search Files and Folders. This tells N8N that you want the node to look through your Google Drive rather than upload, download, or update files. Now it's time to configure what you want to search for. Set the search criteria based on the file or folder you need to find. You can define things like the name, type, or other details depending on your workflow needs. If you're looking for a folder, make sure the settings match folder search. If you're looking for a file, make sure the search is set up for files. Once your search settings are in place, review the configuration and make sure everything matches what you want the workflow to return. This part is important because the search results will depend entirely on how you set these fields. And that's it. You've now added the Google Drive node, selected search files and folders, and configured it to look for the items you need. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stick around for more N8N workflow tutorials.